Tomato sauce with peas, an authentic Italian family recipe. Let's start by shelling the fresh peas. Of course you can also use frozen peas. Take a medium onion and chop it into pieces. Put the onion in a food processor. Start the food processor until you get the onion chopped into small pieces, as you can see in the video. Put the chopped onion in a pan and pour a few spoonfuls of olive oil. Fry it briefly, until it becomes transparent. Add the peas and mix to flavor them with the onion. Pour in the tomato paste and about 2 cups of water. Add salt. Cook over medium-low heat. In 20 to 25 minutes the peas will be cooked, so the sauce is ready. Using already boiled and frozen peas. 4 to 5 minutes of cooking is enough. At this point we prepare the pasta. We have chosen a short pasta, very suitable for this sauce, but you can absolutely use any type of pasta to your taste. We pour the pasta into boiling salted water, and cook it for the time indicated on the package. We drain the pasta well and pour it into a bowl of suitable size. We pour over the sauce that we have prepared.
Mescolo un pochino.
We serve at the table on individual plates, then each person adds on top of their plate 1 or 2 teaspoons of grated Parmesan, and maybe another spoonful of sauce. This is normal in Italian families. Enjoy your meal with this simple but delicious Italian family dish.